The Y plates of a crow are excited by a voltage 2 sin 100T and the X plates are not connected. The display would be A vertical line, B a horizontal line, C sine wave, D slant line. The correct answer is a vertical line. Heating effect of current is used in A ammeters, B voltmeters, C both ammeters and voltmeters, D wattmeters. The correct answer is both ammeters and voltmeters. The coils of Drysdale polar potentiometer are wound non-inductively. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In figure the output V0 is A2 V1 V2 2 V3, B2 V1 V2 V3, C V1 V2 V3, D V1 2 V2 V3. The correct answer is 2 V1 V2 2 V3. Magnetic effect of current is used in A ammeters, B voltmeters, C wattmeters, D ammeters, voltmeters, wattmeters and energy meters. The correct answer is ammeters, voltmeters, wattmeters and energy meters. Which of these instruments is dynamometers type? A wattmeter, B power factor meter, C frequency meter, D both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. The instrument used to check insulation of household wiring is A megger, B ohmmeter, C multimeter, D high resistance voltmeter. The correct answer is megger. Watthour meter is an integrating instrument. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. An ammeter is A secondary instrument, B absolute instrument, C recording instrument, D integrating instrument. The correct answer is secondary instrument. It is required to measure temperature in the range of 1300-1520 C. The most suitable thermocouple is A chromel constant 10, B iron constant 10, C chromel aluminium, D platinum rhodium. The correct answer is platinum rhodium. Which of these instruments has highest power consumption? A dynamometer, B electrostatic, C moving coil, D hot wire. The correct answer is hot wire. If A 629 8 and B 131 3 AB with range of doubt is A 498 8, B 498 4, C 498 11, D 498 13. The correct answer is 498 11. A thermocouple instrument can be used over a very wide frequency range. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A vibration galvanometer is A moving coil instrument, B moving iron instrument, C dynamometer instrument, D induction instrument. The correct answer is moving coil instrument. In a phase shifting transformer, the currents in the two stator winding are in phase. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. A power factor meter has A 1 current and 1 pressure circuit, B 1 current circuit and 2 pressure circuits, C 2 current circuits and 2 pressure circuits, D 2 current circuits and 1 pressure circuit. The correct answer is 1 current circuit and 2 pressure circuits. In a semiconductor strain gauge, the ohmic electrical contacts are generally made of A copper wire, B gold wire, C aluminium wire, D nickel wire. The correct answer is Gold wire. To measure dielectric loss you would use A. Anderson bridge, B. Kelvin bridge, C. Spring bridge, D. Maxwell's bridge. The correct answer is Spring bridge. Minute cracks in metals and minute faults in welded joints can be detected using A. IR rays, B. UV rays, C. I rays, D. X-ray rays. The correct answer is X-ray rays. The resistance of voltmeter affects the accuracy of measurement in loss of charge method. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. In a hot wire instrument the deflection is proportional to A. Peak value of AC current, B. Average value of AC current, C. RMS value of AC current, D. Either A or B. The correct answer is peak value of AC current. A permanent magnet moving coil meter can be used as A. AC only, B. DC only, C. Both AC and DC, D. Low frequency AC and DC. The correct answer is low frequency AC and DC. If temperature increases by about 50 the resistance of thermistor changes to A. Half of its initial value, B. Twice of its initial value, C. 8 times of its initial value, D. 1/8 of its initial value. The correct answer is 1/8 of its initial value. Which of the following draws minimum power from source? A. PMMC, B. Electronic voltmeter, C. Electrostatic voltmeter, D. Moving iron voltmeter. The correct answer is electronic voltmeter. A megger has a hand-driven DC generator. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. A hot wire instrument is not affected by stray magnetic fields. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Acoustic strain gauges. A. Have good linearity of measurement, B. Do not have long-term stability, C. Have a large range of measurement, D. Have an accuracy range of 0.11 depending on environment. The correct answer is have an accuracy range of 0.11 depending on environment. Without a spectrum analyzer it is not possible to determine A. Carrier frequency, B. Antenna pattern, C. Pulse width, D. Spurious signal strength and its location. The correct answer is carrier frequency. A phase shifting transformer is used in conjunction with A. DC slide wire potentiometer, B. Crompton potentiometer, C. AC coordinate potentiometer, D. Drysdale potentiometer. The correct answer is Drysdale potentiometer. In a megger the controlling torque is provided by A. Spring, B. Gravity, C. Coil, D. Eddy current. The correct answer is coil. A 3-digit voltmeter having a resolution of 100 MV can be used to measure a maximum of A. 100 V, B. 200 V, C. 1000 V, D. 5000 V. The correct answer is 100 V. For measurement of high voltage capacitors the suitable bridge is A. Wien bridge, B. Modified de Sauty bridge, C. Spring bridge, D. Either A or B. The correct answer is Spring bridge. To avoid the effect of stray magnetic fields in AC bridge we can use A. Magnetic screening, B. Wagner earthing device, C. Wave filter, D. Transformer. The correct answer is magnetic screening. A resistance strain gauge is usually A. Wire grid type, B. foil type, C. Any of these, D. None of these. The correct answer is any of these. In AC bridge measurements, Wagner ground means A special RC connection to eliminate stray magnetic effects. B. A special RC connection to eliminate stray capacitance effects. C. An unwanted and unintended ground connection. D. A large metal plate buried in ground connected to one corner of bridge. The correct answer is a special RC connection to eliminate stray capacitance effects. The range of RTD using platinum is about A. 100C to 700C. B. 200C to 1000C. C. 100C to 1000C. D. About 500C. The correct answer is 100C to 700C. A digital voltmeter has a 412-digit display. The 1V range can measure voltage up to A. 0.9999V, B. 1.9999V, C. 0.199V, D. 9.999V. The correct answer is 0.199V. Consider the following statements as regards induction and dynamometer wattmeters. A1 only, B1 and 2 only, C2 and 3 only, D1 and 3 only. The correct answer is 2 and 3 only. A Maxwell's bridge has the unknown inductance in one arm and resistance in the other three arms. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. For a current transformer, the standard secondary rating is A1A or 5A, B 2.5A, C 10A, D 5A or 10A. The correct answer is 1A or 5A. In portable instruments, damping is provided by A. Spring, B. Gravity, C. Eddy current, D. Either A or C. The correct answer is spring. The sensitivity of electromagnetic digital flow meter can be increased by increasing A. Circumferential width of rotor teeth, B. Radial depth of rotor teeth, C. Thickness of rotor teeth, D. Number of teeth. The correct answer is number of teeth. The increase in intensity of trace in a crow causes a change in A. Beam current, B. Frequency of time base, C. Gain of Y amplifier, D. Accelerating voltage. The correct answer is beam current. A diode peak reading VTVM and thermocouple meter are connected across output of an amplitude modulated circuit. In the absence of modulation, both meters read 10V. When sinusoidal AM is applied, VTVM reads 15V. The reading of thermocouple meter will be A. 10V, B. 12.5V, C. 14.1V, D. 15V. The correct answer is 10V.